Hi, welcome to Infraready. This is one of our new REMPODs. So the device comes equipped with a little tripod stand, so you get a tripod with the device. On the back sits a 9-volt battery. You've got a 3.5mm jack where the antenna for extended range can fit. It's got our Infraready branding. On the front, it's got a power LED, which is green, a series of proximity LEDs, the top one of which has an audible tone as well, and then on the side we have the on-off switch. So I'm going to just reposition the camera. So if we switch it to the on position, we'll get confirmation that the device is on. And then as we move closely to the device, you can see that the device deflects in 3 levels and then beeps at the top. So we'll plug in the antenna. As you can see, that's very sensitive. Just reset and calibrate that. So as we move closer, just try recalibrating. And simply switch the device off. We've got plenty of other REMPODs as well in the store, so if you'd like to take a look at infraready.co.uk, you'll be sure to find all of our ghost hunting equipment for paranormal investigation over there. In the meantime, if you could subscribe to our channel, like and share, it would be greatly appreciated.